Right. Action.
What do we have to do?
Well, this could be an outtake, but my name's Michael.
I'm Victoria. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you all. Well, not meet you, but hello to everybody who doesn't know who we are. And I decided that we both live quite a healthy and happy life because I
Very
like to cook
healthy
my
and
own
very
food. And my wonderful friend here, Victoria, likes to teach GiCheon, which sounds a lot like kitchen. So I decided, in my wisdom, to create a YouTube channel called GiCheon In The Kitchen. Which, that reaction alone meant that everything you see from now on was worth it.
I think you are amazing.
I have good ideas, but rarely see them through. I think having the motivation to see things through comes from the discipline of a mindful mindset. And I've only started practicing GiCheon for like 2 weeks. And it's already forced me to think about things like pain, because it hurts. But it's about understanding how pain is something you experience, and although things don't hurt less ever, you get better at dealing with how things hurt and recovering from the pain.
And there is a meaning to this pain, because it is pain which is self-transforming, it is building, it is creating things.
Exactly. Go on. You're far better at talking about your area of expertise than I am.
The pain in GiCheon comes from the GiCheon, which means maximal bending of the joints. The GiCheon principle is defined by being experienced as pain. You can ask, why does it hurt? There are many answers to this question. One of them is that as a human being, as a mortal, limited being, we get hurt when we get closer to the truth. But that is a bit abstract, spiritual answer. The more concrete answer is that the maximal bending of the joints naturally hurts, and it really stretches all your joints. It opens the key channels, because key channels, they are like doors through which the energy flow, and by bending them in the GiCheon principle, you open them, and then the key can flow smoothly through your mind and body, harmonizing it and bringing health into your mind and body.
Whereas I just cook tasty food on a very strict budget that tastes delicious and is nutritious and good for you. I also brew my own wine, cider, mead, bake, and I'm a student now of GiCheon, but a very novice one. So you'll be experiencing me learning GiCheon, and you'll also be experiencing Victoria learning to appreciate my cooking.
Appreciation is not very difficult.
It's not quite as
very
good.
easy.
Her role is a lot easier, I'll be honest. She gets to enjoy my tasty cooking, and I get to put myself in very painful, awkward situations.
You mean with GiCheon?
Yeah.
My situation as consuming your food is much easier, because your food is amazing, and your meat, homemade meat, is amazing, and homemade bread is amazing, and it is all extremely wholesome and very natural and very nurturing for the mind and body.
Exactly. So it's like a whole package. It's the whole package here. So whether you want to learn a new martial art,
or health discipline for self-perfection, which is meditative,
or internal alchemy, as it's also known, I'll be doing the sort of external alchemy. She'll be doing the internal alchemy. And either way, hopefully, you'll watch both sets of videos.
And traditionally, internal alchemy and external alchemy have been practiced together to contribute and strengthen each other, and the border between them has never been clearly defined.
Exactly, it's all wavy and grey in the middle there. So that's why we'll be appearing in both of our videos. She won't be doing videos alone, I won't be doing videos alone. We'll both be in both videos. So whether you're watching a GiCheon video or a kitchen video, there'll be a little bit of martial arts in the kitchen and a little bit of eating. We might eat outside occasionally, have a picnic. I might prepare a picnic to bring on our GiCheon excursions.
And I will be good at consuming
Yeah.
whatever
Oh, yeah.
you manufacture.
So if we're outside, we're probably doing GiCheon. If we're in the kitchen, we might still be doing GiCheon, you know. I don't know. But yeah, there'll be cooking, there'll be food, there'll be homebrew. I might even get back into making kombucha and do a kombucha video just for the likes.
What's kombucha?
Well, kombucha is a fermented tea. But you're not that keen on tea?
No.
No. Well, coffee? No.
No.
Yeah. We'll convert her. Probably not. But anyway, hello for now, and welcome to our channel.
Welcome to our channel.
Stay tuned for more content.
Stay tuned for more content.
Hit like and subscribe wherever they
Please
are.
do.
On your device, they may be there, or they might be like there. Who knows?
See you.
Bye.
Bye.